Yes, sir.
What you just watched is not real. Don't believe me? Check out this one.
Old heads on the bench, eyes sharp, say less. You want shine, young blood, you gotta earn your stress. Palms rough like a black top, scars mapped on my wrist.
So what is this? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today we're going to dive in amazing AI model that's called Kling 3.0. Well, I have new clear to drop. That is the Kling AI 3.0 is officially on the website of the Hexfield.ai. If you're not familiar with the platform called Hexfield.ai, you're not an AI head. Hexfield AI is quite cool because you can find every advanced industry top AI models on market, and you can make an AI movie, AI videos by Sora or View 3.1, everything you name it. And you can even edit the video or images easily in Hexfield. You can build up your character, you can input your image, and also you can make a video based on another video or image or combine them all together. You can make a sensational cinema studio video and also motion control, AI influencer. In fact, we already introduced many Hexfield's top features, but today something big just happened. It's Kling 3.0. Just FYI, if you're not familiar with Kling AI, Kling is a top industry standard for AI video generation. 3.0 is the latest version, and since it's published, it becomes the standard of the AI video model. It can produce the video with audio and keep the consistency of every character, and in 3.0 you can even make a group of people talking to each other. And what I love about this is because Kling is made in China and it's familiar with different dialogues in China. And when I make AI videos, I'm not only making AI videos, sometimes I make AI images first. So you're in luck because now we have Nano Banana, which can produce the consistency of the image, and you can use that image to generate a video by Kling AI. So let's just dive in. Let's click here, Unlimited Kling 3.0. Remember, every models inside of the Hexfield is better than it stands alone. What I mean is that the Hexfield developers, they just improve it a little bit better than the original. So the Kling 3.0 is unlimited in Hexfield, which means you can create whatever you want, give more space for your creation, which is good, right? And now we're in this page. This dashboard is designed to generate videos. You can click here to switch different AI video models from Kling to different version of the Kling and the Minimax, Kling, Sora even, and also not mentioned Google View. And also, Hexfield also owns some AI models. And what I want to mention that different AI models just cost differently. For example, like the Hexfield Lights cost only 5 credits, which is good. And of course, WAN and C-Dance. Basically, you have everything you need. And why we want to use Hexfield? Because we need a unified platform. Give us the opportunity to try every AI models instead of paying them separately, right? Imagine you're not the richest person in this planet, right? Your money is limited, I guess. So let's choose this Kling thing. So inside of the Kling submenu, we have 3 top AI models. First is Kling 3.0, and second is 3.0 Omni, and third is Kling 3.0 Omni Edit. Let's try it 3.0 first. You'll notice that the interface is changed a little bit, right? So this is where we type of a prompt. I already write one. And we have a start frame and an end frame. You can upload your image. I strongly recommend you to generate by Nano Banana, also inside of the Hexfield. Then upload from here. But this is optional. You can also use this multi-shot. Let's say some example. If you want to add a multi-shot, you just click this toggle button and you are able to add different shots. And what I really love about the Kling 3.0 is you can choose a duration up to, you can make a very long video that you cannot do in any AI models. View 3 only can produce this like 8 seconds, but with Kling now you're able to create the longest video ever. And you can choose aspect ratio, different resolution. Yeah, it supports the highest resolution on market. And also, I want to bring now that in Kling, you have the video edit model. You know, when I just start to make AI videos, I just do it like the one-time job because once it's failed, I just delete them, right? I believe you do the same. But now you can use this AI model to modify anything inside of your previous not satisfying video and make it a good one. Okay, I just want to show you the news. Now the Kling 3.0 is on Hexfield. Okay, this is James. Thank you for watching the whole video. I hope you like it. If you have any feedback, don't forget to let me know. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.